In today's video, we will be teaching you a new method of making some extra profit in Gods Unchained, one of the best crypto-based trading card games in the market today. This method is even making some players $200 richer every day. But be warned that this is rather complicated at first, so stick with us while we try our best to explain this method. And if you have trouble understanding it, you can just go back to this video and watch it again. Sounds good? As always, we do want to give a disclaimer and mention that this is not financial advice. We're not financial advisors, so make sure you're always doing your own research and making your own decisions. Let's begin! Gods Unchained is one of the biggest crypto-based trading card games with great winning mechanics, a great competitive scene, impressive free-to-play considerations, and exciting competitive gameplay. Unlike other free-to-play games, Gods Unchained gives you full ownership of in-game items. Collect rare cards, build your deck, and sell cards to other players. Level up, acquire cards, and trade with other players to find the perfect deck for your playstyle. Gods Unchained is another glorified rock, paper, scissors TCG. To rank, you must regularly defeat your opponents in each round. It's designed with a focus on fair play, and you unlock cards just by playing. Gods Unchained offers a premium gaming platform with huge earning potential. In fact, you can see up to $200 a day in income. Gods Unchained is a truly premium trading card game. But is it really possible for ordinary investors to see such profits? Is it too late to get involved? Come and check it out. Gods Unchained and the original Gods token have been open to the public for a long time. From November 2021, investors can directly invest in the project, from a drop of $3.50 to a maximum of $8 per token in mid-December 2021. That's a staggering 128% increase. It has the ability to turn $100 into $220 in a week. But it's not because of the decrease of Gods tokens and the project itself, but the profitability of interaction with the game. In fact, as you play, trade, invest, and interact in the Gods Unchained ecosystem itself, you can earn a steady daily income of up to $200 per day using smart strategies. Hey, if you're liking this video so far, remember to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to enable the notifications, so you'll be alerted whenever we post a new video. The reason the Gods Unchained ecosystem is profitable right now is that Ethereum is so important when it comes to playing and winning. Since one of the biggest obstacles to making a big profit from games is the transaction or gas fees, NFTs through Gods Unchained are very cheap. Since Ethereum is still the undisputed king of the NFT and blockchain games, a $5 profit will cost you $20 in gas. That's why investors and players are starting to look for alternative blockchain ecosystems, such as Binance Smart Chain and Solana. They exploded mainly for this reason. The brilliant decision to bring Gods Unchained to the immutable X network is really great, allowing NFTs to run free and without gas fees in an open decentralized system that ultimately guarantees Ethereum, allowing transactions of peer-to-peer with virtually no extra fees whatsoever. It's very scalable. With Ethereum's full transaction guarantee, this means that the immutable X network is really strong, even though people are really reluctant to interact and transact around the Ethereum ecosystem. This creates a very interesting gap, where players can make some interesting purchases and trades, essentially undercutting the market and making a small profit for themselves. And again, they can earn up to $200 a day. Players can earn native Gods tokens through the Gods Unchained ecosystem, but cannot withdraw funds and convert them to Ethereum due to very high gas fees. This puts Gods Unchained in this interesting situation, where the cards are selling half the asset in Ethereum compared to the original Gods token, which is essentially nothing. This is not a speculative NFT art project. This game is an in-game items. Not using Ethereum is a serious problem, and many owners want to throw them away completely. As you can imagine, this creates a very attractive and very profitable opportunity for many investors. The opportunity to buy these cards on Ethereum and sell them for Gods tokens will immediately give you a small profit of 25% up to 100% for this simple arbitrage trade. Identifying profitable trading cards is the first step. Visit resources like the Geodex card ranking to find the most used cards. Choose the rarest quality based on the amount you can invest. With the Immutable X protocol, the most commonly used cards can have the most liquidity, ensuring fast and speedy transactions. As an arbitrage investor, you need to minimize slippage losses as soon as possible. After collecting the list of high-priority cards, go to Ethereum and Immutable X to get the value of those cards. Convert this price to USD or any other traditional fixed currency exchange rates and calculate the percentage difference. This is a good indication of potential income you can earn through purchases and swipes. So to make this transaction, you need to spend ETH to buy the asset, then bring it to Immutable X, sell it at a higher price, and earn Gods tokens. Just repeat the process and you can see your positive net gains in no time. However, transferring this data to Ethereum and Immutable X can be very expensive. That's why minimizing these costs is essential to maximizing your profits to their best potential. There are two main ways to achieve this. First, transfer the Gods token to a trading platform, exchange this token for ETH, and then return the ETH to IMX. This strategy works if you have a lot of Gods and ETH tokens, because you won't lose most of your trading volume due to gas fees. This is the difference between a $15 trade for $5 and a $15 trade for $100. However, the smartest way to transfer assets through Immutable X and Ethereum is not through traditional exchanges or bridges, but through the trading of card assets themselves. Now, when you buy an Ethereum asset in exchange for Gods tokens, you will see the biggest price difference and the biggest profit margin. You can turn a $5 ETH investment into $20 in Gods tokens, but you want to convert back 10% to the Ethereum ecosystem with the smallest price difference. For example, a card worth $5 on Immutable X may be worth $4.50 on Ethereum. This 10% fee is less than what you lose in gas payments or transactions when communicating through the current Ethereum ecosystem. So although you still lose some profit, you're bypassing the excruciatingly high Ethereum gas fees by using this method. As you can imagine, this is a hugely overlooked and underappreciated opportunity. Arbitrage investing is not for the faint of heart and requires quick math and good decision-making skills, but it's growing rapidly because of the advent of Ethereum 2.0. Such income opportunities may have become harder to find. Either way, the Gods Unchained team has created a competitive and addictive gaming environment. Since its launch, Gods Unchained has achieved nothing but strong and consistent growth. Simply keeping the native Gods tokens without porting them back to the Ethereum ecosystem could also be a viable strategy. So just remember, keep on researching this stuff from other sources. This is relatively complicated at first glance, but with enough knowledge, you can make some extra profit while playing this very fun trading card game. That's our video for today. We hope you like it. So what do you think about this new method of spicing up your Gods Unchained gameplay? Are you interested in trying this method out? And for those who have experienced doing this method before, what are your thoughts about them? Are you now swimming in cash? Share all of these sentiments with us in the comment section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Investment Tribe. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.